Oh, g'day guys, just Craig Trotter here from FarmIQ, having a quick demo of the FarmIQ NZFAP and NZFAP Plus dashboard. You can see here that I've just got a normal FarmIQ farm. The farmer's been recording a bunch of activities on his property. I can have a quick look at the farm map. You can just see the paddocks and the mobs of stock, etc., etc. We've been working really closely with the team at NZFAI over the past few months around digitising the NZFAP requirements. And so, as it currently stands, if a farmer is an NZFAP or NZFAP Plus member, they enter their credentials into FarmIQ. That sends a message through to the team at NZFAI. They cross-check that with their membership status, whether they are members of NZFAP or members of NZFAP Plus. When they send that back to us, they see this dashboard here, and so I can click on that and it just flows through into the NZFAP dashboard. On the left here, we've got the different pillars or chapters of NZFAP. We're in the current season for 25-26. We've got some basic instructions just at the very start of it, bit of a disclaimer, and then some notes therein around how to utilize the dashboard. Of course, it's current with the current versions of NZFAP or NZFAP Plus. So I'll click on the records one. I've already completed this one. And so there's sort of different levels of detail. We've got it at a top level here. I can click on this now and it shows us through any farmer can change the due date. We can assign that to staff. Then it shows a clear description of what the requirement is. We can add any additional notes to this. And so I've already completed this one. That's when I completed it. I can add any attachments, and so if I've got any attachments here on my computer, I can add those, or I can drag and drop any files to meet those ones here as well. This can, of course, be done on the FarmIQ app as well, and so this will turns up on your FarmIQ app as a task. I can go around the farm for any requirements necessary. I can take photos of the farm as evidence to meet any of those requirements that I might have. Click on the biosecurity and food safety one here, and so here's again another list of all the requirements under the biosecurity and food safety chapter. These are some of the requirements that the farmer has been completing, and I can see here he has uploaded a piece of evidence for the agrochemical inventory. Again, it shows a description, and we've also got some helpful tips there and how to utilize FarmIQ if you want to record this information on FarmIQ. But the beauty of this is that they do not have to. They can just drag and drop. If they've got a product inventory list, they can take a photo of that and drag and drop that into FarmIQ as evidence, as might be required for that particular requirement. On the left here, we've got the wagon wheel, and so farmers can just meet and keep up to date with those requirements. They've always got a good picture of what is up to date, what has been done, and what's still to do in regards to meeting those requirements that they need to keep on top of. It's really important that this is the farmer's data, and so the farmers maintain their dashboard as they see fit and see appropriate. If they wish to, they can give their auditor third-party access to their dashboard, and so we've worked with other assurance players in the past, and so the farmers can give their auditor third-party access, let's say a week before the audit taking place. The auditor can come on here, view the dashboard, and look to see what evidence there is and what requirements have been met, and done it a lot in the past, and it's sped up a huge amount of time and reduced a lot of stress for those farmers, and saved the different companies a lot of money over the years as well. One of the cool features around the dashboard is that we've made it available across all our different pack offerings that FarmIQ offers. And so if we've got our light pack here, which is pretty much provides the users with a farm map and assurance, and then it flows through to Essentials, Performance Plus, and then our Pro pack, which is our top end pack. But we have made the dashboard available to every user, assuming that they are members or current members of the NZFAP or NZFAP Plus. And so a really neat enhancement, a really neat integration that we have had working with the team at NZFII, which have been great to work with. If you're keen to understand a bit more around the dashboard, happy to run through a demo in more detail. Otherwise, yeah, thanks very much for your time. Cheers.